Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adjusting the headlight level on the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Adjusting the headlight level is a good idea if you have a very heavy load in the back, as having a heavy load can cause the headlights to point higher than usual and dazzle other drivers. Follow the steps to learn how to adjust the headlight level on the Seat Arona. The headlight level adjustment control is to the left of the steering wheel and then down slightly, just to the right of the headlight controls. There is a wheel that you move to change the headlight level. You can switch between nothing, 1, 2 and 3. The higher the number, the higher the headlights will point. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.